Welcome back to the channel. Friends, if you were looking for a powerful battery smartphone at a budget price, then today we are going to talk about the Motorola Moto G57 Power. This phone comes with some impressive features like a 7,000 mAh monster battery, 50 megapixel Sony camera, 120 Hz smooth display, and a Snapdragon processor, all at an approximate price of around 14,400 rupees. First, talking about the design, the phone has a premium vegan leather finish, which gives a stylish look and a comfortable grip, and it comes in attractive colors like Regatta, Corsair, and Fluidity, so it doesn't feel like a typical budget phone. The device features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1050 nits brightness, protected by Gorilla Glass, making YouTube videos, gaming, and scrolling very smooth and enjoyable. For performance, it is powered by the Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 processor with 8 GB RAM, and with RAM Boost, you can expand it up to 24 GB, which helps in smooth multitasking and decent gaming. In the camera department, the phone offers a 50 megapixel Sony LYT-600 main camera with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens on the back and an 8 megapixel selfie camera on the front, delivering good photos for everyday use. The biggest highlight of this smartphone is its massive 7,000 mAh battery, which can easily last up to 2 days for normal usage, and it also supports 33-watt fast charging, making the Moto G57 Power a great choice for users who want strong battery life and reliable performance in a budget smartphone.